Good morning, everyone. We are here to present our B project titled Legal Scenario Solver Democratizing Legal Access Through AI. Our team members are Ajinkya Akant, Aditya Korane, Sejal Khobragade, and Sai Harshit Chartila under the guidance of Ajinkya Varanzu. Our project focuses on making legal help simple, accessible, and understandable for every citizen using artificial intelligence. Moving over to the next slide, he is an AI-powered legal assistant that converts everyday language into formal legal documents. Many people struggle to understand legal procedures or draft proper complaints. Our system allows user to simply describe their issues in normal language, and it automatically generates structured legal documents ready for official use. The goal is to make justice accessible to everyone, not just for those with legal knowledge. Moving over to the next slide, let's understand the problem we are solving. On one side, citizens describe their issues in emotional, unstructured ways, often in mixed Hindi and English, sometimes even through voice. On the other side, courts require structured language, exact legal section, and proper formatted documents. This creates a huge gap. Also, standard AI tools often generate incorrect or fake legal information, and handwritten complaints are often rejected. So, people need structured legal document but don't have the legal expertise to create them. Moving over to the next slide. To solve this problem, we built Nyay GPT. First, users can speak or type their issue naturally in Hindi or English. Then, our AI system analyzes the input using a multi-agent approach and maps it to the correct IPC sections. Finally, the system generates formal legal documents such as FIR drafts ready for official submission. This bridges the gap between everyday communication and legal requirements. Moving over to the next slide, here a question arises: why not standard AI? The answer to this question is traditional AI systems like single large language models try to handle everything in one step. This often leads to hallucination, meaning incorrect or made up legal information. To overcome this, we use a multi-agent system called Creo AI. Here, different agents handle specific tasks similar to how a real law firm works. Each step is validated and system uses real legal data, ensuring accuracy and reliability. Moving over to the next slide. In this slide, we have explained the agents we have used. Our system is divided into two main phases. Phase 1, Analysis Crew. We have a case intake agent that structures the user's input, an IPC section agent that finds relevant legal sections, an advisory agent that decides the strategy and case severity. In phase 2, Drafting Crew, we have a legal drafter agent that prepares formal documents, a document generator that formats everything into formal templates. This ensures high quality output at every step. Moving over to the next slide. As mentioned in the previous slide, we use agents for performing different tasks, and to eliminate hallucinations we use RAG. To ensure accuracy, Retrieval-Augmented Generation or RAG is used. Instead of relying only on AI memory, we use a database of real Indian penal code documents. When a user describes a case, the system searches for the most relevant legal sections using similarity search. Only those real laws are used to generate the final output. This ensures zero hallucination and reliable legal advice. Moving over to the next slide, our system offers several powerful features. First is voice input, so users can simply speak instead of typing. Second is multilingual support for Hindi and English. Third is auto drafting, which generates ready to use legal documents. Fourth is smart catching, which speeds up responses for repeated queries. And lastly, IPC classification, which identifies the correct legal sections and severity. All these features make the system efficient and user-friendly. Moving over to the next slide, let's look at how the system works step by step. First, the user speaks into the microphone describing their issues. Then, the system converts speech to text using transcription. Then, it checks if the similar query exists in the database for faster response. Next, the analysis agent processes the case and generates a strategy. Then, drafting agents create the legal document. Finally, the user can download the document as ready-to-use PDF. This entire process takes around 30 to 45 seconds. This is how the system works. Moving over to the next slide. In conclusion, NyaiGPT makes legal assistance accessible, fast and reliable. Currently, our system provides 100% accurate IPC mapping using RAG, supports for 2 languages, document generation within 30 seconds. This project addresses a major gap in the legal system and helps common citizens access justice more easily. Moving over to the next slide. For future improvement, we plan to include state-specific laws and regulation, enable direct court e-filing integration, add case tracking and reminders, connect users with verified lawyers for complex cases. This will help the system even more powerful and practical. Thank you for listening.